The fender well's out. Let me bring you in here on the tripod. I'm going to show you this drain. This drain is right here, and it's just a grommet. You just pull it off like that, and then you reach up in here and start feeling and pulling out debris. And I'm going to show you that is the amount, just so you have reference. There's my hand. That's how much stuff came out of the drain. So what happens is if you leave that stuff in there, it backs up right here, and it'll back up through this fender well all the way up through here, and it'll drain into the firewall, down into here, and right here is your main engine's wiring harness that goes to the ECU, and it will actually short it out, and your car is a paperweight. So that is why it is super important. So here it is. When you're done cleaning, you just simply put this back, and I found it's best to do it by feel. You push it all the way up in, and then you push it all the way up in the hole like this, and then you pull it back a little at a time so it can seat between this grommet here. So I'll show you that right now. So push it all the way back up in there, and now it's in there, you can see. And then you just slowly, and you'll hear it. There you go. You can see it, it popped out right there. And got to get the other side, so you move the other side. Just pull gently. And there it is. I feel the lip all the way around it. And it's back on, and your drains are clean, and you're good.